Drycore recently asked you to send some questions in about your home renovation projects to ask me. We got tons of great questions in. I've got a few that we've chosen here, and we're going to get right to them. Rob from Toronto. We've got a 2-car garage and a lot of empty space. I was thinking about a home gym. We both love fitness, but we barely have room left inside our house, and my wife is worried that the garage floor may be too hard and cold for doing yoga. Any advice for us? A concrete floor in the garage is probably going to be too cold and too hard to do yoga without doing some work. So I've got some photos here. Nice big open garage for 2 cars at least. And I do have some inspiration pics because we have worked on some projects like this in the past. So let's run through them. When you're busy, your workout routine needs to fit around you. Accessibility is everything, and gyms aren't always open when you want them to be. A garage is a great space for reinventing as a gym that you can use when you want and save on gym membership fees. Drycore subfloor makes that cold, hard concrete warmer and softer for your yoga or stretching out on the mat. It's also softer for kinetic impact, more vigorous exercises, and it can withstand heavy loads like gym equipment or even your car. A workout bench and dumbbells or resistance machines like bench presses or rowing machines can be the focus of that room. If space is at a premium, you can try an all-in-one machine like a resistance machine that can work all your muscle groups, and you won't hit your wallet as hard as a ton of equipment. You'll want to add some lights and shelves, or a couple of speakers, or a TV mounted to the wall to keep you entertained while you work out, get you fired up. In addition to insulating the floor with Drycore, you could add a heater, box heater to stay warm in the winter, open the doors for some fresh air in nicer weather. Real simple project to do. You got lots of great space here to do it. Drycore, don't build without it.